The OnePlus Nord marks the return of the Chinese smartphone maker OnePlus in the mid-range smartphone segment. It might not be perfect, but it is a good smartphone nonetheless. And soon OnePlus will launch another phone in the Nord series, that is OnePlus Nord N10 5G. This Nord N10 5G will be little lower in performance but will carry most of the similar features to OnePlus Nord. And there's been a ton of rumors already relating to the value, specs and launch date of the upcoming phone, so without further ado, let's get started. First, let's start with the launch. As per Android Central, the release date remains unknown but it is expected to launch after OnePlus 8T. FYI, OnePlus 8T is scheduled to launch on October 14th, so anytime after that, Nord N10 5G will launch, but most believe it to happen in the month of November. If you remember, US missed out on the budget OnePlus Nord device, but OnePlus has already suggested to release future Nord phones in the US, and that seems increasingly probable with the rumors of the N10 5G variant. And there is no word whether N10 5G will launch globally or if it's merely intended for the US. Also, if reports are accurate, the price of the new Nord phone will be lower than $400, so that means it will directly compete with Pixel 4a. As for specs, it will come with 6.49-inch Full HD Plus 90Hz panel. We don't know for sure whether it will be LCD or OLED, but we believe it will be OLED. The main sacrifice you will find in this phone compared to the already launched OnePlus Nord is the processor. The N10 5G reportedly switched to a Snapdragon 690 instead of the Snapdragon 765G found in the already released OnePlus Nord. Both these chipsets support 5G, so they are future-proof, but the main concern we have is whether Snapdragon 690 will be able to handle 90Hz refresh rate smoothly. By the way, it's coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. About cameras, we could get an improved 64MP main camera, but you would still have the same 8MP wide-angle camera as well as two 2MP sensors that might not be very useful. The battery details aren't out yet, but soon we will know about that as well. All you have to do is subscribe and turn on the notification if you want to be notified. So that is all for now. Hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Peace out.